After a period time of use, the humidifier will produce scale and smudge on the surface of the machine components, which is caused by impurities of the water. For better display, we chose a wide sample machine that has been used for some time as an example. As you can see, there are various degrees of scale on the surfaces of several components. So regular cleaning is important to keep the humidifier working properly. Before cleaning the humidifier, ensure the humidifier is powered off, and then pull out the power plug. Do not immerse the base in water, because there are electronics inside it. Remove the essential oil tray and buoy. Be careful not to let water into the air outlet. Use the brush-provided swab to assist with cleaning the transducer and base. Never use metal or sharp objects. Clean the transducer, water tank, and water base at least once a week when in constant use. Remove the fogging nozzle and spring thimbles. The water tank can rinse well with clean or distilled water. Do not use chemicals, steel wool, metal scouring pad or abrasive cleaners to clean the shell of the humidifier housing, as these can damage the housing of the humidifier. Let them dry. Install the removed components back to their original positions. If you do not use the humidifier for a long time, clean the whole humidifier and make sure that all parts are dried completely before storage.